Hi, I'm Vicki Norris, organizing expert and life reclaimist of Restoring Order. Today, I'm going to teach you a nifty but counterintuitive organizing trick, adding. I know it's the opposite of what you would think, right? Isn't organizing about subtracting clutter, subtracting stress from your life? Well, done right, adding just a few key things can help you simplify your space and your life. Perhaps the easiest thing to add is reset time. Now, if you're barely keeping up with the pace of life, it might seem unbelievable, but adding just a little bit of reset time actually subtracts physical and mental clutter. For example, every night I clean out my sink and my counters and get that dishwasher running. After my kids watch movies, I insist that they put the living room back together, reset the space, regather all the pillows they've flung all over, and throw away the snack bags. And every Sunday night, I reset all of my family's vitamin trays. So just a little bit of reset time goes a long way to taking back your mental and physical space. Now, try adding one organizing action per day. Just one little thing, big or small, can really improve your life. So today, I organized my shopping bags. I was tired of accumulating all of those plastic grocery bags that just pile up. Yesterday, I organized my vitamins because they were stored in bins that made it kind of hard to tell when I needed to reorder. So just one organizing action keeps clutter at bay. All right. Adding better storage can also help you subtract clutter. Remember my vitamin problem? They were in these really cute bins and I had a lot of them, but I didn't know when I needed to reorder. So when you're choosing storage, here's what I want you to think about. The quantity of the items that you have, the growth potential of those items, and then your visual preferences. So here is my improved storage solution to solve my vitamin visibility problem. I just commandeered an old bookshelf that my kids weren't using anymore because I could see into the cubbies and organize my vitamins by type. So I've got my vitamins and my herbs and amino acids and so forth. So it's all organized, it's easy to see, and this storage solution actually solved my organizing challenge. Finally, doing something that challenges you, like organizing, is really best done in community. So adding a partner to your efforts can really increase your stamina and your success. So let's get going by adding a little bit of reset time, adding one organizing action a day, adding some better storage, and adding a partner. And don't forget to add grace to yourself. Keep going. Organizing is an investment in your quality of life. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vicki Norris, Restoring Order.